Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I wanted to share my preparation process with you as I get ready for the event I'm taking part in March. So here you're just seeing a little time lapse of me prepping my monthly header page in my Happy Planner. I like to show off whatever canvas I'm going to be working on. So I printed off a picture of the canvas, decorated it. It's very simple this month. Then I'm just going in and cleaning up my pots because I hadn't done that previously, before prepping them with the stickers for the drills for this canvas. So now let's get into it. So the canvas I'm going to be working on for March is Dear and Delicate by Sybil Art. It has come from Crafty. They were one of the very first companies that I ever worked with when I started this channel, and this one has been sitting in my stash for far too long, so it's lovely to have an opportunity to finally work on it. The canvas itself is a little bigger than a snack size. It's a 45 by 55 in round, and there is a lot of colour blocking, as you can probably imagine looking at the image. We've got a lot of black colour blocking in that hair, and some very pale, we've got 3865, which is your pale cream, and also some very pale blues in the shading for her skin. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to working on this one. The event that I will be taking part in is called All Petals 24. It is open to anybody that wants to take part. It is being hosted by Diamond Grandma and her co-host. I will pop their details on screen for you now so that you can see. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun one, and I can't wait to see what other people choose to work on for this event, because with such an open theme of petals and florals, there are lots and lots of options available, which is brilliant. So as I said, Diamond Grandma is one of the hosts, so in order to qualify for prizes, you will need to pop on over to her YouTube channel and subscribe there. Additionally, you will need to subscribe to the co-host's channel, and that will also be linked in the description here, but that is Shirley's Real Life. It's also well worth heading over to Facebook and joining Diamond Grandma's group over there, so that you can keep up with all of the goings on of all the events that she co-hosts and hosts throughout the year. There is pretty much an event every month just being organised by Diamond Grandma, not to mention the myriad of other events that are also going on throughout the year. Having just finished an event myself, I'm quite looking forward to taking a back seat and just drilling along and enjoying seeing what everybody else is getting up to for this one. So yeah, there's not many colours in this canvas, 21, so it should be a pretty quick kitting up process. They are rounds, and then there are a couple of rhinestone type crystals in there as well, although a little confusingly, Crafties call these ABs. But of course, they're not what we would typically think of as an AB, i.e. an Aurora Borealis coated diamond. But yeah, I'll pop a link up in the eye to my original unboxing of this. You will have to excuse the quality of that video because, as I say, it's from a while ago and my setup was not what it is today, even though there's still a long way to go from calling this a professional channel. So, yeah, what else do I need to chat with you about today? Let me have a think. It might be worth noting that I've just popped over to the Crafty's website, and they are still stocking this canvas, although I feel like it's probably a different render to the one that I have got. The listing currently states the size as being a 40 by 50 as opposed to a 45 by 55s, and says that it is composed of 42 colour round diamonds with 3 AB diamonds and 39 solid colour diamond drills. So make of that what you will. I'm not sure, as I say, I have not purchased from Crafty's since way back in the beginning of my own diamond painting journey. So I'm not sure if anybody has ordered for them recently and wants to let me know if there's been a change, or if it's just that they have updated some of their older kits to have more colours, maybe more detail. I don't know. Looking at the canvas that I've got in front of me, I'm not sure that it needs any more colours, but I'll see how I feel about that once I've finished diamond painting it. I do know, obviously, that Crafty's pay their artists. They are very proud of the fact that they are promoting independent artists and collaborating with them, paying them for their artwork. What I don't know is whether their artwork is hand rendered or not, or whether it perhaps used to be hand rendered and now it's computer rendered. I'm not sure. So again, if anybody's got answers for me, do let me know. You can always email me. My email address can be found in the description box of every video, or you can just drop me a message and I will chat to you here. That is all good. So yeah, I am working my way through this process of kitting up pretty quickly. The drills don't look too bad, a little bit dusty, but no static and not too much trash, which is good. These kits didn't come with any labels, so I made my own. I took a photo of the legend on the side of the canvas using my iPhone and then printed it out. I printed onto sticker paper because I had sticker paper, but the alternative, of course, is to print it onto regular paper and then use something like a Xyron sticker maker or double-sided tape, or just a good old glue stick to stick those labels onto your pots. So yeah, so what you see me having on the pots here is a photograph of the legend as it appeared on the canvas, which works fine. It gives me all of the information that I need. I have noticed that although the symbols are incredibly clear on the canvas, there are things like a capital E, a capital H and a capital F all next to each other on the canvas. And they're all various shades of pale blue, so I will just have to be aware of that and pay attention a little bit closely when placing those drills. Although, because it's in an area of shading and they're just gradients of the same colour, chances are if I misplaced a single drill, it probably wouldn't notice. Or it would be really noticeable and I'd be able to change it. That is what good old tweezers are for, picking off wrongly placed drills and popping them where they belong. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting started on this one. You'll probably see me in one of the Wednesday lives working on it. And then of course I will share a post review once it is all finished. I'm hoping to get through this one quite quickly throughout March, because I've got some other projects that I want to work on and I don't want to spend the whole month just on one diamond painting. I've also, of course, got the long-awaited cloisonné kit to finish, and I will definitely be sharing that with you, either as a finish or as progress by the end of the month. So do remember to hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos so that you don't miss out on any of that. Lastly, just a reminder that there is still one more Wednesday live where we will be giving out prizes for the hashtag Familiars in Feb event. That is going to be kind of my wrap-up live, and then the Friday after that we will have a little tour of canvases of all of the entries where people have allowed me to share their progress and completions with you all. So please do check that out when it is uploaded. Okay, so that is my canvas all kit up and ready for me to start work on. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of kitting up today. Please do remember to do all of those lovely YouTubey things, like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty!